keep it a buck. No one from the bottom, now we came up.
We ain't going back broke no more. Learn from sleeping on floor.
TB in his bit and on lit. Yeah. What's up, my good people? I hope y'all having a terrific day. I'm having a terrific day. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna post 2 today. Once again, I told y'all I have to post 2 videos. If I don't post 2 videos, I'm gonna get upset with myself. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta do it for you guys. We have this Trevor Jackson How's That Sound music video, man. He got another video out, Boys Need Love Too. I'm gonna react to that as well, man. I wasn't gonna do it because I don't even like that song, but I feel like his verse gonna be, I mean, his little part or remix or whatever gonna be better, so I'm definitely gonna react to that. Y'all check out my other Trevor Jackson reactions. I reacted to mostly all his newest like videos, so check that out for me. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Before I do anything, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Turn on post notifications for your boy TB and anything. Follow me on Instagram at OneRealTay, Twitter TBJohn1. We're gonna go ahead and get this video pop. I don't wanna do no more talking, so let's go. Looks like my 3rd favorite on his album. How that sound, how that sound, how that sound.
If you caught me when your neighbor's not around, you've been lost too long, girl, it's time that you be found. Tell me how that sound, how that sound, how that sound. If I put you on a plane and had you fly around, when we link up, girl, you know it's going down. Just let me catch this pre-roll and we roll out. Girl, I'm trying to feed you, tell me how that sound. I don't mind when these are the down. I'll come do it to you
inside out.
I keep going, you keep coming. Girl, I keep it locked like a lockbox. Stay calm, it won't take long till you fall in love with my shit. And I told her, baby, don't fuck around unless you fuck around with this shit. Cause I'm an anomaly, there's nobody like me.
I'm on the top of things, everyone's upon me. Ooh. Okay, I see in this video, his other videos had like meanings behind it, like throughout the video. This video, I feel like he just chilling. He ain't really doing too much. He just cooling it. So. Stupid. Girl, it's time that you've been found. Yeah, this is just something he threw together. Yeah. Everyone's up on the me. Ooh. How that sound, how that sound, how that sound. If you want to not around, but it's time that you've been found. Tell me how that sound, how that sound, how that sound. And how you fly around. Spiral, we're coming now. Just a little like known fact, I know y'all didn't know this, but I actually wrote this song for Trevor. You know what I'm saying? And it's like I never get my props, you know what I'm saying? But I still respect that. I respect that you know, put the song out still, and you guys love it. You know what I'm saying? What am I talking about? I feel like once again he just threw this one out because he haven't came out with a video in a smooth minute. So with that being said, I feel like he just threw it together and was like, okay, here y'all go. I know he got Rough Drafts Part 2 coming out, or Volume 2 coming out, supposed to be this year. Looking forward to reacting to those as well. But if y'all like this video, man, y'all give it a like, comment, you know what I'm saying? I wish it was something that I can nitpick with throughout this video, but it wasn't. It was plain and simple video. He just singing the song, and you know what I'm saying? He vibing with it. He just was cooling it in his video, so there wasn't really much to say about it. That's the end of this video, man. I am out.